Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Missy Bernier, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Okay guys, so for today's video, I want to do a curl tutorial. It's been a while since I did a talking tutorial, and I just purchased a new product on Amazon. This is a product, it's called Balm, and it's a curl balm. And how I found out this product, I was, I'm always on Instagram watching other curly influencers, just trying to find out new products, new brushes, clips, all that. So I came across this product. This curl influencer was doing a video, and her curls were amazing. They turned out great and had all the ringlets, all the spiral curls. Loved it. So I was like, okay, she has my same curl structure. I want to try it. Got the product from Amazon. It was only $24, so it's not too expensive. And I recently got it a couple weeks ago, and when I first got it, I didn't like how it turned out. It was really thick on my hair, and it kind of weighed down my curls. So I'm thinking I put way too much product in, so hopefully this time around I'll put just enough where it's not weighing down my curls. So this is a product. It's called Balm, the Curl Balm. And again, I got it from Amazon. It wasn't that bad in price. Again, $24. And yeah, so I just want to try it out and show you guys the results and what it looks like. Before I get started, I just want to share just a couple life updates. If you guys have been following me. So Callie's doing great. She's over here playing with her ball, but she's doing really well. We also started dog training, and she loves it. It's a positive reinforcement class. So Callie was already good with training before we started the class, but it's just really great for her, and it kind of just like gives her that like mental challenge sometimes. So it's been really, she's been doing really well. And I got a promotion at work, so that's great, and I'm so happy for me, and this has just been overall a great year, and I can't wait to see what else I accomplish before the year ends. Okay guys, I'm gonna pull my hair down, and we're gonna get started with this curl tutorial. Pulling my hair down. Since it took me forever to do those intro video, like the intro, it's kind of dry, so hopefully that doesn't make my curls bad at the end. But I do have my spray bottle with me, so in case I have to spray my hair. But overall, it doesn't look too dry. It looks pretty good. Okay, so my hair has been brushed through. Kind of spray some parts that needed water. But maybe that will help with the drying process, because you don't want your hair like soaking wet. Okay, so I'm putting this much product in. Hopefully this is just enough where it gets my curls looking good. My hair is shampooed and conditioned. Actually, I didn't use like my traditional shampoo this time. I used this product where it's like a cleanser, so it's not like a shampoo technically. So you guys know I love the scrunch method. It's like my only method I do. I don't have a diffuser, so, or a blow dryer. Like I think my blow dryer just like stopped working because I like never use it. And then I just have like, if I do want to straighten my hair, I have like that like blow dry like wand thing where it like straightens your hair at the same time. So that's what I use, but I don't really straighten my hair like that. Maybe like once in a while. On like special occasions I do. Okay, so I'm scrunching my hair in. It feels pretty good. It doesn't feel overly, it's kind of sticky. Like, the pattern stuff is not sticky. So that's what I've noticed too, like while putting the product in. It's very sticky. Okay, so the product's in. Maybe I'll put a little bit on this side because it's not feeling as, oh no, Callie got something. Okay, that's way too much, but we're only gonna use like a little bit. It's all in. Oh my gosh, my shirt. So the product is in. You guys know I love to air dry, so when I come back, we're gonna see how my hair looks, and hopefully it turns out good. last time it was just, I think I put way too much product in. So I feel like this is gonna be a good end result. So stay tuned everyone, I'll be right back. I'm back. So this is how my hair turned out with air drying my hair. I did scrunch it throughout the air dry, so I think that's what made it get so much volume. So it looks really good. So much better than last time. Last time was not good. I don't think I washed my hair, and I think I didn't wash my hair when I used it, and not to say I have to wash my hair every time, but I think this time was different because I didn't use as much product. So I think that was really what I did last time, which wasn't good. So I was gonna fluff out my hair using my pattern pick, and I was gonna put some Moroccan oil in my hair to make it shiny and a little bit more fluffy. How it looks. I love it. This shirt is so problematic. Okay, I love it. It's turned out really good. So pretty. And all the curls, oh my god, they're so gorgeous. Okay, gotta figure out like where my part's at. Oh, somewhere in here. The top is still kind of wet, so hopefully it'll dry, but dry later. So this is the end result. I'm so happy. Like, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, looks bomb. So I hope you guys go out and buy the product. Again, the name of the product is Bounce Me, and it's a curl balm. So I'll show you guys what it looks like again. So make sure you guys go get it. It's only $24 on Amazon. I don't know where else they sell it, but that was the only place I could find it, which was Amazon. I'm sure you could probably try to find it in any other like beauty stores or something like that, but usually I go to Amazon to buy all my curl products, or Ulta. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. It was kind of a short video. I didn't really have much to talk about. So I'm hoping to post something soon about Callie. I know you guys love watching Callie and seeing her progress like through her dog life. She's amazing. Yeah, so if I buy anything new, hopefully I'm probably gonna buy so much more stuff for myself like towards the end of the year, because my birthday's at the end of the year. So yeah, but that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys go out and buy this product. It's amazing. I'm not sponsored by the company. I'm just happy I gave it a second try, because a second chance, because when I first tried it, my hair did not look like this. It was very frizzy, and it was like, did not look this curly. It was just not it. So I'm happy I gave it. I'm now gonna start using this a little bit more. But okay guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks, see you guys later, bye.